So this video is brought to you by Arison Hair. I'll have all of the information that's needed in the description box. This is a lace frontal bob wig. It actually has some lace in the back as well. Don't know why I would need to put the wig hair up, but in this video I'm actually going to show you how I am going to turn this into a stacked bob wig. This is actually a video that is completely going to be explained on my Wig Making 101 school, so check that out. But I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to cut this, and we're going to use some clippers to do so. So the first things first is actually blocking the lace wig, the lace frontal wig, onto a head for styling. So I'm just showing you specific points. It's more descriptive on my online school, so you can check that out if you're interested. But yeah, this is just how I block it first to get started before I cut and style. So this is actually a center part wig, but I wanted to make this a side part, and this is how I usually set partings and straight hair wigs, using some water and just kind of molding it over to the side. I'm going to be honest with you guys, as you go through this and watch this video, you'll notice that this is probably not the best idea, is having water that has some oil in it. So it had some oil, coconut oil, so it made the hair seem a little bit greasy and heavy, but I was still able to style the wig as I needed. But this is how I mold the parting and dry the hair and just kind of mold and set that parting for the wig. So before I get started, I have to separate or part the hair in 3 sections. I'm going to use clippers to do this, and you may have seen this before on YouTube. I'm not exactly sure, but that's how I learned. I also learned from dealing with barbers as well, and it's just a creative way to get something done a little bit quicker without using scissors. I'm just going to be using clippers, and you see me cutting this in an angle straight down. So I'm pulling the hair towards me and then using the clippers and pulling it right down to cut. So again, on my online wig making school, I actually explain this a little bit more detailed as to how to get started and how to complete it. So yeah, you can check that out. But yeah, you can see here, this is the point where I'm actually explaining how you do this and how this makes it into a stack bob, and why it's such an easy technique to use if you are not really good with shears. So just using clippers gets it done a lot faster. I do transition into my shears when it's to finish the cut and just kind of clean it up as much as I possibly can. And then I use a straight razor to blend the hair in the back from short to long. And I guess you guys can just watch the rest of the video and see how I continue to cut this wig. So that's it, guys. You can check down below in the description box for more information about this hair from Arison Hair. Also, stay tuned for another video update of me wearing this wig, so you guys can see how it looks styled on me instead. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel. I try to upload at least 2 videos a week, and I will see you guys in the next video.